We are taking your pet care questions right now for veterinarian David Graff, and we have Diane on the line who has a problem with her beagle. Is that right, Diane?
Yes, it is.
Go ahead. What's the question?
I have a 4-year-old beagle who is currently forgetting where he needs to go potty. And he continues to go potty in the house to the point where I can have the carpet cleaner out, and I just cleaned up his mess, and he'll turn around and cock his leg and pee on the carpet cleaner.
Okay.
He has a doggy door. He has a fenced-in yard.
Yep.
So there's no reason that he cannot go out.
Oh, there is.
Maybe afraid of the cold weather,
yeah.
you think?
We're having a lot of dogs that are losing their house training because they just don't want to be outside. Well, a couple of things you can do is you can go out with him when he's outside and be with, I know he has a door, you said that, but if you would take a little bit of time and go out with him and then reward him when he goes outside properly. And just try to be patient, because there's a lot of dogs that just don't want to go out, and they're losing their housebreaking. That's one of the downsides of a cold winter like this.
Okay, yeah, so the weather does affect the animals. Let's go to Bob, who has a question about heartworms. Bob, go ahead.
I have a little snoodle, and I wonder about where and how they get heartworms and how often they have to be tested.
Heartworms are transmitted by mosquitoes, and dogs only get heartworms when mosquitoes are out. But the heartworm pill works 1 month and then 2 months after they get exposed. So it's important that the heartworm pill that's given once a month is given for at least 2 months after the last mosquito dies. This year, the last mosquito probably died in November. It was early this year.
Is that right? Yeah.
Yeah, in 2007, we had 60-degree days in January. So I have my clients stay on heartworm pills all year long, because frequently when they stop, they will forget when to start again in the spring. And one of the heartworm pills companies gives you heartworm warranty. If you stay on it year-round, they will warrant your dog against heartworms.
Wow.
Yeah,
okay.
they will pay for the diagnosis and treatment if you give the pill every month year-round. A dog should be tested once a year. Even the best heartworm pill is not 100% effective, and early detection is very, very important for treating heartworms. Heartworms doesn't have to be a fatal disease if it's caught early. Okay. And ever since the dogs from Katrina came up, Hurricane Katrina back a couple of years ago, they brought a lot of those dogs up that had heartworms. So there's more dogs with heartworms in eastern Iowa now than there was before.
Right. Okay, we only have 30 seconds left, but David, this is your cat, right?
This is Elsie. Elsie's a stand-in today. The kitty that was supposed to be here is hiding under a bed somewhere. So Elsie, she was sleeping comfortably, and I woke her from her nap, and here she is on TV today.
Right. Well, it's glad to have you here. We appreciate you coming in and giving us some advice. David Graff. Tomorrow we're going to welcome psychologist Dick Sockwell to the program. We'll be right back.